Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is an evening snack, chicken noodles cutlet. So let's see how to make that. First we need to boil some Maggi noodles. So noodles are cooked well. I'm going to drain water from this and keep this aside. Heat a pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is heated up, adding some finely chopped green chilies, ginger and some finely chopped onions. Saute it well until it gets slightly cooked. Adding some beans, finely shredded carrots, for masala I am adding some chili powder, chicken masala powder, garam masala. Instead of chicken masala you can use the same Maggi masala, but I like the flavor of chicken masala, that's why I am using this one. Mix well. Adding cooked and mashed potato. And some cooked and shredded chicken. Finally, I am adding cooked noodles. Gently mixing it. Let it cool well, and after that we can prepare cutlets out of it. Take some portion out of the dough, shape it like a cutlet and dip this in an egg wash. Roll it on the breadcrumbs. Prepare all the cutlets like this. Refrigerate this for 15 minutes and after that we can deep fry this. Fry this until it turns into brown color. Cutlet is ready here. chicken stuffed chili pakora. Let's see how to make that. Here I have taken 2 chicken breasts. I cut them into lengthwise like a long strips. Now we need to marinate this with some ginger garlic paste. Here I am using 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of chicken masala, half teaspoon of garam masala and salt. Mix well and keep the marination for 10 minutes. Cook this by adding 1 tablespoon of oil. Chicken pieces are cooked well. Allowing this to cool for a while. Here I have some long green chilies. I'm going to remove the seeds from inside to make it less spicy. It's better to use gloves while removing the chili seeds because it gives a burning sensation on our hands. Stuffing it with chicken pieces. All stuffed chilies are ready to deep fry. To give a nice crispy coating for this chili, I am using 2 cups of besan flour, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon of asafoetida, half teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder, little bit of salt. Add water little by little and make a thick batter out of it. Batter is ready. Dip each chili in this batter and coat it well. Deep fry this until it becomes crispy. These chili pakoras are ready. It's a very good evening snack. Serve it with some tomato ketchup. SEMIYA veg balls. So let's see how to make that. Here I have 1 medium-sized boiled potato. Mash it well and make sure there is no lumps. Adding half a cup of boiled and grated beetroot. Quarter cup of finely chopped beans. Finely chopped green chilli and ginger, and 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri chilli powder, half teaspoon of garam masala, half teaspoon of mango powder, and some salt. Adding 2 teaspoons of breadcrumbs to give a proper consistency for this batter. Mix well. Taking a small portion out of the batter and shaping it like a lemon-sized ball. Here I have some SEMIYA or vermicelli and some corn flour batter. Dip each veg ball in this corn flour batter and coat it well with SEMIYA. Refrigerate this for 10 minutes. These are ready to deep fry. Heat some oil and deep fry these veg balls for 2 to 3 minutes in medium flame. Once it turns into golden brown in color, we can take this out. These veg balls are ready to serve. Here I have 2 cups of soya chunks. First I am going to boil this by adding 1.5 cup of water. Boil this until they get soft and well cooked. Soya chunks are properly cooked, switching off the flame. To make burger patties, here I have 3 boiled potatoes. Mash it well until we get a very smooth and lump-free mixture. Now I am going to grind soya chunks coarsely. Coarsely ground mixture is ready. Transferring this into a mixing bowl. Adding 1/4 cup of grated carrots. 2 tablespoons of finely chopped beans. Adding 2 teaspoons of chilli powder. Half teaspoon of garam masala. Half teaspoon of cumin powder. And salt. Mix well and make burger patties out of this. Shallow fry this by adding 2 tablespoons of oil. Flip this carefully. Patties are not very firm. Placing cheese slices on top of this. So these are ready. Let's assemble burger, spreading some mayonnaise on both the slices of burger buns. Some lettuce on top of this. Placing the patties and a slice of tomato. Placing one more patties slice of tomato, lettuce, and it's done.